What is up, guys? And no risk, no premium. Here to give you another episode of the 2 minute drill. Well, just as we expected, a complete range day. And sometimes you have to remind yourself, hey, listen, what did we just do? Right? What did we just do? We just had a huge trend day all the way down from literally 396 or I'm sorry, 390 all the way down to 363. Okay. So after that, the market likes to adjust the move. It's called a range day. Remember, the market like over 75% of the time, the market consolidates and it trends the remainder. So a huge trend would go right into expecting some consolidation. Now, I would hold true to these levels, 363 and 370. Those are going to be huge levels to play tomorrow. Okay. I would not be playing the breakout on them quite yet. Okay, I think one more day of possible ranging could be in order. Now, Big Daddy P, Big Daddy Pal, the Fairman Ched does speak tomorrow prior to market open. He's speaking on digital currencies. I don't think he's going to say anything out of the realm, hawkish, or anything that would really drive the market. I mean, anything crypto related. Now, if he says things that are more, balance sheet related, inflation outlook, all that kind of stuff, I doubt it happens, but it could. You have to be prepared. Okay, you have to be prepared. What I'll be looking for tomorrow is definitely more failed breakdowns. Okay, fake outs, it's liquidity grabs, right? It's where the market tries to get you to think we're going to continue down or continue up. We had two of them today. Look at this huge range we are in. Okay. For me, if you're gonna want to see where we could possibly go, maybe stick to a higher time frame as far as like a breakout you'd want to play. I want to say, hey, do we have like an hourly candle close really with continuation? I mean, that never really happened, right? Never had an hourly candle close, right? Through the lows. Oh, almost did, but wicks to the bottom, wicks to the top. You see that there. So, where do we go tomorrow? I have no idea. But I can tell you this is we're going to stay in this range. We do have a little bit of divergence here, though. Meaning we did make a new low today, but the RSI stayed pretty high. Okay, did not make a new low. So, what we can expect tomorrow, I definitely think we come back up and test this 370 area. Initial move, I think you can play a rejection of puts there. But if we get up there and it rejects and we don't go test the lower range and we base there all day, it's very likely we can make a charge end of day or possibly the next day to go higher. Okay. But you need to respect the levels for what they are. Obviously, 363 is a huge level. Why is that level so massive? Why? I mean, look at this monthly chart. You could see it right here. If we break this monthly low, we're pretty much guaranteed to come down to first the weekly 200 MA. You guys could see it here. Okay. 358 underneath there. Monthly 50 MA is 351. So 358, 351 are going to be underneath 362. Okay. So if we get under 362, it's going to be 358, then 351. All right. But for tomorrow, I expect to stay in the range fully. So don't get faked out. Okay. Be patient. Only trade those two levels. Don't get caught in the fluff. All right. But if we do get above, we do have a gap fill up to 374, 5 MAs hanging out up here. We are pretty stretched away from the MAs. So let's see what happens. All right. Wake up early, guys. Get your levels right. Get the pre-market high and low, previous days high and low, and now you get the previous week's high and low. All right. I'll see you bright and early. Peace.